The next combination we're going to attempt is salt and sand. I'm going to add 2 grams of salt and 2 grams of sand together. Mix them into 1 cup. I can use the glass stirring rod to mix them around. And I can just kind of shake the cup up a little bit to get the full mix. It's a little bit hard to do this with only one hand. So, is this a mixture or a compound? Why? Pause the video, make sure you're following through on the lab. Once you have answered that question, let's see if we can't separate it. One of the first things we can do is add water to it. The reason for this is we can strain it and we can boil it. So the water will be removed through one process or another. So I'm just going to add just enough water to this to fully submerge the salt and sand together. So at this point in time, both the salt and sand are mixed together with water. So let's see if this is a mixture or a compound. We can do that by using the similar methods we've used in the past. We can use a coffee filter and a funnel. So place the coffee filter in here, into the funnel. My suggestion is folding the coffee filter up first, placing it into the funnel, as such. Then we can dump this into here and see if we can't separate the two. We can use the stirring rod to make sure all the contents of this is emptied out into here. But we're just going to assume that most of it is, just for convenience sake. Let's let it drip dry. Still going. As we can see, there is some things left in the filter paper. And we can probably figure out that the sand is left in the filter paper and the water has emptied below. But we have to still wonder what happened to the salt. Is the salt with this or is the salt somewhere else? So we know there's sand in this coffee filter paper. So we have to think if it fully separated or not. So I'm going to throw this away and prepare this to boil and see if we can't get the salt out from the water.